Hello, it's D.I.Y cook again. Tonight our recipe will be roast pork with vegetable. I'll show you how I prepare it. You season the pork with salt, add black pepper, add onions and garlic and lemongrass, and then roll it. Prepare the steamer, add some onions, add water, and you add the pork and steam it for 1 hour. When it's done, you let it run. And we're going to cook it in our Ninja air fryer. While waiting to cook the pork, we're going to prepare our vegetables. We're going to season our vegetable with olive oil, salt and pepper. And we're going to saute it. And then later on, we're going to add it into our roast pork. Here we go, all done. I hope you enjoy and see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Bye!